In this video, we will show you how to make giveaway boxes for kids. Select your design and print your media with Okipro9542. Okipro9542 can print white before CMYK to assure proper print quality on dark media up to 360 GSM. Oki9542 can print up to 3,000 boxes in 1 hour. The white toner on colored media will make the image pop and will also save toner by minimizing the artwork. Once printed, cut, crease, and finish with FCX4000 digital flatbed cutter. It has easy settings and holds media by electrostatic. The FCX4000 series has 2 tool holders in the carriage, one for cutting and one for creasing, using 2 different tools in the same job at the same time and increases work efficiency. It has a speed up to 750 mm per second and causes no damage to your printed graphic. Either you cut in front or backside using ARMS function to cut and crease in reverse. And in no time, your result is here. To know more about full digital label printing and packaging solution, like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.